All right, hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I just received my new vessel ball in the mail. This is the 3-speed one. This is the 220 USB P1. This is probably the better of all vessel balls. If you guys don't know vessel balls, I've got a couple of vessel balls here that I'm gonna go over with you. I figured it was a good time to talk about it since I just got this one. So this one is a 3-speed, and it's probably one of the better ones that they make. So we'll do an unboxing here. As you see, I got this from Amazon Japan. You can go up the top, you could change your country, you could change it to Amazon Japan, and you can get shipped from Japan. As you can see, all the writing on there is all in Japanese. So what you can do is, if you download Google Translator and you hold your phone over it, it will translate everything into English. So as I open this and we look at it and we open, I would imagine everything is in Japanese. So as I open the instructions, which it sure is, my Japanese skill level is my Japanese reading skill level is probably not the best at all. So what I'll do is I'll use my phone and I'll hover it over it, and it'll translate and give me the directions. Luckily, I own a couple of vessel balls, so I kind of know how they work, so I don't really need to read too much of the instructions. But it comes with a nice little bit here. And this bit, if you guys don't know about JIS, which is, I want to say it's Japanese Industrial Standard, is what it stands for. So it's a Philips, but it's a little bit different of a Philips. So if I can get another Philips, is a whir right here, if you could see, and the vessel is a little bit different than JIS, the Japanese. So some people like it better, some people like it worse. It's just a little bit different. I'm a fan of it. I like it. So if I put this guy in here, now, if you've never seen these are a nice, amazing little screwdriver. I'm in love with these. So this particular one, you've got one speed there. It spins. Then if you see how that green button's flashing, if you hold it down until it flashes solid, that's another speed. And if you hold it down again, it'll change to slow flashing. That's another speed. So it's 3 speeds. It was actually on the middle speed then. So there's slow, hold it down, flashing faster, medium, hold it down till it's solid, flash faster there. So slow, medium, high. Like I said, this is probably the better one. This part number is 220 USB P1. Okay, my other ones I have here, this one was the first one I ever got. This is the 220 USB 1U, which is just your standard one. You know, just a standard screwdriver, bottom level. I got this one. This one won't make me fall in love with vessel. So once I got that one, I got a couple others. My next one is a little bit, it's a bit slower than this, so it's lower speed, more torque. So if you see that one, you see how it's going a little bit faster than that. So, and this one is the 220 USB, just a standard USB. And then my the last one I got, this guy is the 220 USB S1U. This guy's got some serious speed. If you see the speed of that one, and then you see the speed of this one, I mean, you can see the difference. On top of here, I have the Klein. This is the Klein flip sockets. I just keep them on there just so I have different. If you guys have never seen these, they just flip over and then like so, and then they work all interchangeable. It's a cool little thing. So I just keep these on here like so. So those are my electric screwdriver vessel. Just got this one. Kind of excited to use it. Seems like it works pretty good. This little magnet piece is also a vessel brand too. It's the little magnet getter. If you've never seen these, how it works. It goes right on the end of a bit and it magnetizes the front. Makes it easier to pick up your screws. Moving on from that, I was going to show you guys the rest of my vessel stuff. So I've got a little, these are little handheld. You could put any bit in there you want, you know, and it's just like a little handheld for whatever your most common bits. You could just clip it on your bag, your Vito, whatever you want to do, and then it's just like little handhelds. They're kind of cool. I've used them once or twice. I wouldn't say I use them a lot, just because it's a lot easier to grab a screwdriver than to unclip these. But they're kind of cool. They're a good way to hold. You know, you could use it as a bit holder, or you could use them as little screwdrivers. They're pretty cool. This is the Vessel Tough box. It's a torque box. So it opens like so, and they have a bunch of different bits in there. I got this on Amazon. It's all made by Vessel. You've got your bit there, so it's cool. This slides up somehow. Let me see. Yeah, like that. It slides up to make it a bit easier to grab your bits. I got some good bits in there. I use it here and there. It's good. I'm a fan of that. Onto this one. This is a cool one. So well, let me show you this one first, because they're pretty much the same. So again, I got this one because it's just your standard Phillips, but it's JIS, which I wanted the JIS screwdriver. And these ball grip fits in your hand amazingly. I don't know how they made it so it fits so good. It's just a ball, but it fits, you know, so good. So anyway, this one is the same thing, but it's ratcheting. You hear that ratcheting? And then you can clip this and then ratchet backwards, forward, backwards, forward. So it's just a little ratcheting one. But the cool thing about this guy is if you pull it hard, that's a little ratcheting mechanism. But now you have yourself a little stubby, and you could just I could put any of these bits here into here. Now I have myself a ratcheting stubby, that's pretty cool about that. These are 3 sets of Vessel screwdrivers. I got these on Amazon Japan, actually. They're just standard screwdrivers. They've got some good weight to them. I like how they feel. They're like tough, rugged duty. You can feel it goes all the way through there. Not much to say about them. I'm a big fan of them. I use them. I actually keep these in my work bag because they could take some abuse. You could feel the weight on them. That they feel pretty heavy duty. I'm trying to get you. So this is a P2 100. This one is wiped off. I can't read it. And same thing, P2 100. This is the Impactor. So one thing I was going to tell you about these are the Impactor ones that I've never actually tried this. However, allegedly, they're designed that the shaft goes all the way through. If you tap it with a hammer, so if I were to get the hammer here, and when you tap it, it's supposed to impact, and it's supposed to impact and undo its way out of the screw. I don't know how that works. I've never used it. I don't know. So any of you guys figure that out, you could tell me. I just use them as regular screwdrivers because I like how they look, how they feel. Heavy duty, they're good. I'm a big fan of a good screwdriver, as you could tell by my selection. And then here I just bought a little set of Vessel bits. How this is supposed to work, you're supposed to put that right through your belt and then just have them on your side so you have them to pull. They're pretty cool too. I got them on Amazon too. Just type in Vessel bits. All of this, let me see. I've got 1, 2. I got these from Amazon Japan. No, I'm sorry. Yeah, these from Amazon Japan. And then I got the 220 USB P1. I got that one from Amazon Japan. Because it's very hard to find. You might be able to find it on eBay, but it's hard to find this guy in the US unless you're paying top dollar. Amazon Japan, you get it. You pay one-time shipping, and then you get it. So let me know if you guys find this anywhere, because it would be cool to get. Maybe I'll get another one, but it's just paying the shipping from Japan. So these I got from Amazon Japan. The rest of this, take out my hammer. The rest of this I got all on just regular Amazon, US Amazon. So you could just search Vessel Ball and you'll see all these. All right, guys. Well, that's all. Have a good day.